Sorry guys, it's really hard to get these in. So this is part 4. It's really hard to get this all in a video. And so I'm just pinning this, and then we're gonna go through, we're gonna sew this. I need to get some more thread, hang on a minute. Okay, so we're gonna sew a straight stitch, 1/4 inch, all the way across. I'm gonna go ahead and do this because I wanna do the next part, and I want it to be in this video, so I don't have to do another video, because at least I'm gonna have to do at least 2 more videos. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to finger press this open. And then we have that. So then we're gonna take our rectangle, the 2 by 9 1/4, and then we're just going to, and this may be a little bit big, but that's okay. I cut mine a little bit bigger because sometimes my sewing varies, so we may have to go and cut a little bit off. That's no big deal, and I'll show you how to do that. I'm gonna pause it a minute while I pin this. Okay, when I flip it over, it's a little bit extra, so I'm just gonna take my ruler, and I'm just gonna lay it right there flat, and you're just gonna take that off. No biggie. It happens sometimes. And then I've already pinned it, and I made sure my seams went the right direction. Okay, and so then I'm gonna take my needle and thread, and I'm just going to sew a 1/4 inch again. I'm gonna start this, and then I'll pause it. Remember, consistency is the key. Just stay consistent. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and I'll be right back. Okay, we're just gonna fold this out and finger press it. And then we're gonna do the same thing to this side, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna pin it and do everything. We're gonna make sure our seams are the right way as we pin it. And so I know that I'm gonna have to stop this and pause it because I want you to be able to see this end result. And so I'm gonna pin a little bit. So I'm gonna pause it right now. And we're gonna finger press this out, and then we are finished with this step of the 9 patch pivot. And so we have our square. And so next in part 5, we will sew on the triangles. So stay tuned to part 5.